What's going on, YouTube fam? In case you don't recognize the vehicle that I'm in, I am with my friend Tyler, kind enough to give me a ride to where I'm actually getting the RX wheels done. I'm so freaking stoked for this wheel. I showed you, right? Did I show you?
No.
Oh geez. Okay, I gotta show him. And hopefully the wifey likes it. But I hope you guys like it too, so I'll see you guys when we get there and I'll show them to you. So anyway, we're here at the Firestone Bridgestone place in Crystal River, Florida, and getting Wifey's wheels installed. So I can't wait. I saw it already mounted. Tires are mounted on the wheel. Oh my God, it looks so good, you guys. I can't wait for the end result. They're really, really professional here, by the way. The car care center here, the Firestone Car Care Center, really professional people. They're awesome. Car guys as well. So I think this would be a cool place to go if you are local here in Crystal River, Inverness. Come visit Firestone Bridgestone. So as you can see, Wifey's car is over there. Oh man, she's gonna look so good. Gonna look really, really good. Can't wait. All right, you guys. Man, I've never seen the undercarriage of an RX 350. That's brand new stuff. I mean, very cool. Very, very cool. Man, I'm telling you, they're really professionals here. They're taking care of the wheel. My biggest fear is scratching when they're mounting, but doing good. So far, I have no issues with what they're doing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll show you guys in a bit when Wifey sees the car. All right, here you go, Doc. Look at that. My goodness. Merry Christmas, baby. Look at that. Don't be shy. Look at it. It's all shine. That looks so good. I don't think you can even understand how good this SUV looks right now. Come on. That looks ridiculously good. Holy smokes. The front air dam kind of sets it off as well. There is no day like when a new wheel set goes onto a car. Look at that. Yo. Literally, it is the single greatest mod that you can do to a car to change the way it looks. I mean, look how ridiculous that thing looks. It's so good. It's so clean. My goodness. Huh. All right, guys. Hyperboost here, Pete Navarro. So anyway, I am done with the Lexus. Thanks to the boys over here at Firestone Bridgestone in Crystal River. Adrian, my man, hooked me up. So this guy has cars. He's gonna bring it up, hopefully.
It's working.
Yeah.
It's in the works.
It's in the works. So he's got an RX-7,
RX
Turbo 2?
Turbo 2 and a AE86.
AE86. Timmy Thompson, Cartoon Customs. He's gonna call you. Thank you guys so much for watching Hyperboost. Subscribe, like, share the video, and really helps with the algorithm. Tundra. So anyway, guys, peace out.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me.